Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is actually the third video of this week that's going up. Hallelujah. And this is gonna be going up on Friday, so by the time you're watching this, it's Friday, and who is not ready for the weekend? I guess what we're doing today, we are trying out all the makeup that we actually bought at Marshall. So I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as possible because I've noticed that my first video that I uploaded on Monday was 30 minutes. This second one was 20 minutes. So I'm trying to make it to 10. Without any further ado, if you guys would like to see what kind of look I recreate with all these products, then keep on watching. Alright, so first thing is first is I'm going to put my hair up because I do not want it to get in my way. So, you know, hair up because, you know, we have to. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am actually going to start with my eyes. So I'm going with the Montauk Escape palette from Laura Geller. And I'm actually going to be using this little blending brush. This is a rounded crease blending brush from the brand Sephora. This is like an old brush. So I'm gonna go in with this one right here, which I believe is Popsicle. This one right here. It's a really light brown, and I want to start off brown on the crease, so we're gonna go ahead and apply this. I'm going to focus it on the outer crease, outer corner, circular motions, working simply on the crease, not even taking the brush out, going into the inner tear duct. So again, I'm not adding no pigment when I go in, just because I want it to bleed, but so it can be blended out. So again, just go ahead and circular motions on the outer and on the crease. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of this dark brown right here, Cabana, and I'm gonna focus that on the outer corner of the eye, and I'm gonna get like a smaller brush, more fluffier, like this one. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing and just actually focus it on the outer corner and going halfway. So the way I go halfway is I'll just go ahead and make sure like the tip of my brow, I'll stop there. I'll follow the tip of my brow, so that's it. Just like that. And you can go ahead and add more if you would like. But this is basically to deepen it more. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the Duo one, and I'm going to get actually the one that says chocolate. It has a little bit of more of a purple undertone. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to go ahead and just apply that right there, just to intense it out more. So what I'm going to do is next I'm going to go ahead and just blend the edges out to the inner. Make sure it's well blended from the crease up as well. So I'm going to get more of a flat brush, and I'm going to apply that into the eye, just like that. So what I'm going to do next is actually use this one right here. This is the Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner in brown. So I'm going to go ahead and switch my mirror to 3 magnified 3x, and I'm going to focus this just where I want to make it look like I have an eyeliner going on. I'm going to go ahead and blend that part out. Blend the edges again. Just like that. Blend it out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that chocolatey color right here. And I'm going to go ahead and intensify. This is a little trick that I do. Now that we're done, I'm going to go ahead and put on foundation, and then we go with the rest of the look. So I will be back. Okay, I'm back. I know I look critical right now, but let me just tell you one thing right now. I actually did I did most of my face. I did not put the powder foundation on. I'm going to be using the Laura Geller Bake, Balance, and Glow. So I'm going to get a big dome brush. See how this actually works to my face. Alright, so I kind of set my whole face already. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the bronzer. So that I'm gonna be using this one because the blush will be after, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. So I'm gonna use it as a contour. Let's see if it works. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and do blush. So this is a dilemma here. We have 3, the one from the palette and these 2. So since we used the baked one, the baked foundation sort of, I kind of want to use this one just because we did use most of the stuff that I already mentioned, and I have not used this one. So let's see how good is this with the brush. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so you can definitely build this up, because girlfriend, this looks like a lot, and I'm still putting a lot more. I put this one underneath first and then this one. So that being said, I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to use that color. It does look like a little bit of more of a pop color, but okay, cool. Kind of like it. I actually do like it. Okay, so you see that, right? I'm gonna go ahead and get a smaller one. So I'm gonna use my MAC 214 brush. So you can see how small this one is. So I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit of that pink and apply it where the lashes are and just keep it there. But again, we want to add like we want to add a pop of color. So we'll add it underneath the eyes. Since most of it's like neutrals and darks, why not? Oh yeah, okay, I'm kind of liking this one a lot. Then we're gonna go ahead and add this champagne color on the inner. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Oh god, I think this one's gonna look a little bit, I apologize if I burp, a little bit pink, but that's pretty good. I kind of like it. And we're gonna go ahead and use the same one on top. But I'm just showing you like ways on how to use the palettes, stuff that you get like this, especially in Marshalls. I'm gonna go ahead and bake under, I should have baked. I'm gonna use what is like my favorite one, Airspun. This is by far my favorite thing to use, especially when it comes to baking. So this one is the Morphe M5 110, and I'm gonna apply this right here. See how that looks? It gives it that sheen to the face. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about, I'm not a really big fan of highlight anymore. I was at a certain point. When I was actually like, I really loved highlight. It was when highlight was a thing, and I had a lot of bumps on my face. I'm not saying now I don't, I do still, but not as much as before. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out because we don't want the harsh line. Like I said before, I don't like baking for too long. I mean, if it's underneath here and it's like really messy, yeah, but like when it comes under the eyes, my under eyes are really dry, so that's something that I'm still working on. Okay, so the face is done. All we have to do is lips. I did actually upload a picture on Instagram using one of these Marc Jacobs, calling it the Nude Monday. So my whole look that day was nude, like completely nude. So either we can go ahead and use the nude, we can use a pinky to give it that pinky color, or we can use this one that came from the Laura Geller. And I think I'm gonna use this one. I can I like it. Yep, we're gonna use this one. Since it's all Laura Geller, this is basically Laura Geller. A one brand basically makeup look, and I like this because it makes my lips look like I put on lip gloss even though I didn't, and it was just this lip. Of course I went over with the foundation and the not the bronzer, the contouring duo stick that I normally use, and I did not wipe it off. That's why they look really plump, and they look like if I have done surgery on my, not surgery, but lip injections, you know. Ooh, yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead, pop some lashes, but first let me go ahead and use the whole mascara from the same brand. Okay, so I really do like it because it actually like made my lashes stand out, especially the bottom ones. My god, I really love it. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put on some lashes, pop up some lashes, and I'll be right back once again. Okay, so I am back. Let me go ahead and take these little things off, fix my hair, you know how it rolls. So this is basically my finishing look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and like, you know, I helped you out with certain palettes that you may have at home, and you know, you probably saw that one pink shade and like probably was scared of it. Trust me, same thing. I would see and I'm like, what am I gonna do with it? This is an option that you can do with it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other suggestions, any other videos you would like for me to do. Another thing, once you subscribe to my channel, if you do end up liking my channel, end up liking my videos, don't forget to press on the bell notification, no, the bell button, so you can get notified every time I post. So yes, I'll see you guys on to the next one. Bye.